It's taken far longer than I was hoping, and the reasons why that is I'll delve into another time. But we're not far off being ready to put these guys into their permanent containers.
We are growing vegetables on a budget.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Growing Vegetables on a Budget. You may notice that there are only 4 tomato seedlings now. Yes. I lost almost all of my tomato seedlings at the end of October when we had a few days of around 35 degrees. The weather was just too hot for my young tomato seedlings where they were in the garden. These 4 survived, I think because they were a little older. But there was the casualty of one of the 5 stupus tomatoes. Anyway, I'm not far off now, putting these in their permanent containers. However, before I do that, I need to harden them off. Tomatoes can be delicate things, and they'll do well with some gradual adjusting to the proper outdoor conditions. I've kept mine in a greenhouse all their lives, where the temperature is pretty constant, it doesn't get too cold, and there aren't any winds. Outside, the temperature fluctuates far more, and it can be helpful and less stressful for the plant to have a gradual transition into outdoor conditions. To do this, I'm simply popping them outside during the day. Then at night time, I'll put them back in the greenhouse. If it's going to be an especially windy or rainy day, I'll leave them in the greenhouse as well. Otherwise, out they go. I'll do this for a week or 2 and then plant them in their buckets. Thanks for watching this episode of Growing Vegetables on a Budget. Make sure you're subscribed to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree so as to not miss any updates in the future. If you want more regular avocado content, head over to my Instagram at Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.
We are growing vegetables on a budget.